guys, it's Steven here. So today we'll make a special unboxing of this gym form app generator which we got from LBC. Actually, this is an item bought by my dad, but as my family supports this channel, so he wants me to unbox it. So it was delivered today, uh, February 8th, 2021. So let's open it. I have here my trusty Falco and my scissors. So let's start unboxing. It's just a white background here. And in the front is the product picture here. The stuffs, how to use it, and features in different language. And at the bottom is there, still the manufacturer and number, model number. So now let's look at the box. Let's open the item itself. Okay. Oh no, my glove is stuck. This thing is covered in plastic. So take my Velcro here. It's stuck. Yeah, they taped it here also, so hard to remove. very tight. There we go. Now for the other one. Okay. Now let's open the box. Moment of truth. There we go. This side. There we go. This is it, guys. You can open it. See what's inside. And we're gonna assemble stuff. There it is. We got the pads. And I think it drops these. We'll know a bit later. So this one. This is the screws. 1, 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 tiny screws. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 foams, and this plastic thingy. We'll know what these things are once we start assembling it. So let's put that aside for now. Let's see what else we got. Oh, it's a big item. Just remove the foam. We also have here the manual. So it's 1, 2, 3 manuals and brochures right there. So we'll put that as a side first. Then we also have the device itself, ab cruncher. So this is it. It's the item itself. Let's put that aside. Here it is, the app generator. So this is all the items found in the box. Got 3 items. Oops, and the screw dropped. So now we'll be doing the montage where I will assemble this. So, cut. battery. So battery is not included when you buy the item, guys. So you got to be ready with your own AA battery. It's turned on. You can see count and calories. So it counts every time you lift this thing out. I guess it has a sensor. Then you just simply connect this wires here to the connector. Like that. Then it pops. So there it is. Then you put it here. Simply slide it in. There we go. Secure in place. Then we have what else? This one. This plastic cover here, which protects the wire. We put it like that there. Show you. Put the rubbery stuff at the side in order to secure it. Then we have these two washers. I guess two of these goes inside since they're bent. To put one inside there, and this small washers is here on the outside, just like that. Okay, there we go. Just tighten it. And we're done. Here we go, guys. We have built the gym form ab generator as seen on TV. So this is the actual item we built. So we built it in a few minutes. As you can see here, there's a count meter. How many reps did you make? And how many calories you've burned there. You might not be able to see it because of the lighting, but it's there. Ayan. So there it is, guys, as you can see. So now that we've built it, I'm gonna try it out and see how many reps I can do in this thing. So what I like about this gym form is that it looks like you're riding the what was that? The bike from the Dark Knight, where Batman rides his motorbike. I forgot what it was called. So you could just comment in the comment section down below. So let's go. This is the moment of truth. See how many reps I can do. Okay, make sure I reset it. It's 0. And here we go. My stomach hurts since this exercise I made 10 reps. And I burned 14 calories, and with just 10 reps I feel pain in my stomach muscles, so this thing definitely works. So I guess I'll make a follow-up video of my progress. We'll try to work this at least 2 to 3 times a week or something like that. So that's it for this unboxing and trial, guys. So this stuff really works. So this costs around 7,900 pesos. 7,995 to be exact. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. So I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more update. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.